Can we use the power of artificial intelligence to help us uncover the next 100x potential crypto gem? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the question we're going to be asking ourselves today, as we will be using AI to understand, break down, and analyze Qtum. Now, for anyone who is new to this series, basically what we are doing is we are taking the top 200 cryptocurrency projects and we're analyzing them, we're breaking them down almost like it's the NFL or the NBA Combine. So for anyone unaware, basically what the Combine is it's where all of the top athletes will come and they will compete on a series of tests, a series of evaluations, and they will basically be scored, they will be graded on these evaluations, and these scores will determine how good of an athlete they are, right? They will determine whether the teams, the coaching staff want to invest in them, want to draft them. And so we're going to be taking this same thought process and we're going to be applying it to cryptocurrency projects. So you can see here the 6 key metrics that we will be using AI to break down and score on each individual project. And so the reason that we're doing it this way, the reason that we're using AI, is because we're building our investment thesis on facts and not opinions. And so this is not just going to be some dude shilling you some coin trying to sell his bags or whatever, right? Like there's no vested opinion, there's no vested interest. It's very, very fast and efficient, as you'll see. And to be honest, artificial intelligence is probably smarter than us. It is probably better at considering more variables to make a combined better decision than we would be able to with our own human brain. And then finally, it's scientific, it's replicatable, and so you can take all of the prompts, everything will be in the description. You can take them yourself and you can apply them to any project that is of interest to you, and you'll get similar results. And so without further ado, let's jump in and analyze this project. Alright, what's up everybody? We are back here with another AI crypto review. Today we're going to be looking at Qtum. As you can see, this is one of the OG coins, certainly has been around the block. I remember way back in the day when I first got in, this thing was just launching as well. Up, yeah, literally $10, $11, $12. I remember it being mooned up to like $100 for a very, very brief second, and then you know, this is obviously picture paints 1,000 words. You can see kind of how it's performed. Had its run here in 21 and currently trading at $3.12. So if you're new to the channel, as always, what we're going to be doing is breaking down the top 200 cryptos. We will be looking, what I can promise you is that by the end of this video, essentially, you're going to have a very solid foundational understanding of Qtum, what it is, but not only just the project overall, but each individual specific aspect of the project. So we're going to be looking at the idea, product, execution, adoption, community, and team. As always, we like to start with our executive summary overview to understand exactly what Qtum is all about. So we'll grab this. As always, the prompts and the document will be in the description, so you can come and do further research if need be. But we can see here that Qtum is a blockchain platform that combines the strengths of Bitcoin and Ethereum to provide a versatile, secure environment for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Positioned as a bridge between established Bitcoin infrastructure and the flexibility of Ethereum, Qtum leverages the stability and security of Bitcoin's UXTO model while incorporating smart contract capabilities of Ethereum's EVM. This hybrid approach makes Qtum unique in the crypto ecosystem, providing a robust solution for developers and enterprises seeking to build decentralized solutions. And it goes on further, but what we'll do now is we will jump in to the review, and what we want to understand is the problem that Qtum is aiming to solve, and then the uniqueness by which they are solving it. And then we are also going to jump into the product itself, see if they have a user-friendly functional product available. So I'll pause the video, we'll come back, we'll analyze the idea and the product. Okay, so we can see here, functional user-friendly product. We see Qtum came back with an 8.3 overall. Meet several market demands, particularly in the enterprise and developer sectors. The product is technically feasible and scalable, supported by positive user feedback. So we will grab this and put it in here with the 8.3 score. Looking into the evidence and logic, we can see various different features such as the enterprise solutions, enterprise friendly smart contracts, hybrid blockchain model, again is talking about that, proof of stake consensus. User feedback seems generally positive, so that's always encouraging. Market fit, enterprise adoption, focus on solutions, enterprise solution. Sorry, can't even read. Enterprise solutions positions it in the market. All right, cool. All right, so we'll grab this and we will put it in the product. Alrighty. 8.3 overall. So moving forward now, what we want to do is look into execution and adoption. Essentially for this, we're going to be ranking the essentially the degree to which the team stays on track with their current roadmap, with their current development updates, so on and so forth. Basically, how effectively are they executing on their vision? And then we're also going to look at adoption. So we want to understand, are people using this token? Is the token holders growing? I'll show you the actual prompt here real quick. We can see total active users, total transactions. We're essentially going to evaluate on this on these inputs on chain, and this will just be a proxy to have us understand a little bit more about is the project actually gaining adoption. So once again, all of the links, all of this document will be in the description. You can check that out and dive further deeper into it if you so desire. So we'll pause it and come back and look at execution and adoption. Okay, so 8.7 for the team. So they are demonstrating strong execution, and we can jump in and have a look at the evidence and logic behind it. GitHub repository shows consistent activity. Team regularly updates the community with their progress through blog posts, social media. Cool. So yeah, the team is still obviously, according to this, still building away. 8.7. That's a decent score. The adoption is not so much. We can see there's room for improvement. If we jump in to the demonstrates adoption with stable growth across key metrics. Project has all right, cool. So 8.7, 7.8 for execution and adoption respectively. Now let's move finally into the community and the team, get an idea of, basically we're going to be looking at the community behind Qtum. We're going to be analyzing not only the engagement with the project and different Twitter and Telegram posts, but we're also going to be looking at the sentiment of those posts. So we're going to be trying to understand, like, basically how supportive are the community? Are they excited? Are they, staying engaged? Are they, do they want to see the next thing? And so we're going to score it on that. And then the team, pretty self-explanatory, just looking at the members, their backgrounds, what they bring to the project, their experience, so on and so forth. So we'll pause it, come back and look at the community and the team. Okay, so community and team, we see we came back here with 8.2 and 8.5 respectively. So robust community on both Twitter and Telegram. If we jump further into it, 270,000 followers, 7 years and 9 months old. The account, if we look into the sentiment, generally positive, engaging positively with content, moderate to high engagement. So overall an 8.2. And then the team consists of highly experienced professionals with significant expertise in blockchain technology. If we look further into it, we can see that regular engagement, community through blog posts, social media again. All right, cool. So then some background. 8.5, reasonably decent score there for the team. Now the final thing that we want to do is calculate the total score for Qtum, see where it stacks up overall, and while we're doing that, let's pull it up in the charts here. Qtum, see if it's on Finex. So this is a weekly. So this is like this crazy action. What I would be immediately interested to see is, has it broken this massive? It did quite a while ago. So I mean, obviously, look, it's 30x off its highs. seems to be coming down pretty aggressively. That is a big red candle that just broke to new lows. That is a bit concerning. I definitely wouldn't be stepping in to buy any Qtum right now, to be honest. This isn't actually a very good chart. I like USDT. See if we can get it on Binance. I think it's the Tether Qtum. Yeah, we'll have a look on here. Nicer chart to look at. Yeah, so broke to new lows violently. I wouldn't be stepping in to buy right now. I think it'll probably come down lower. I think I have this drawn from previous levels. I'd be looking at a move back down to 78.6 if you want to get long Qtum, $2.60, $2.70 sort of areas. That's where I think there is probably more support. Yeah, right down here. It's kind of yeah, that is an ugly looking chart. What do we get overall? Let's see what Qtum scored. 8.25 for Qtum. Alright, so we will add this in, and that is basically a review. So yeah, once again, we will be doing the top 200 projects, trying to find the best crypto gems. So go ahead and join our community. It's free. Link will be in the description below, along with all the documents that we used in this review if you want to dive in deeper yourself. Other than that though, I hope everybody got some value. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Like I mentioned, we're doing the top 200, so that will be an exciting process to uncover more gems. That's it for now. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.